Here comes the wave-shaped pearl bracelet tutorial. Put a bead into it. When the tail of the thread is 15 centimeters deep, rotate the bead. Add 2 gold beads and 2 white beads. Rotate 2 gold beads. Add 1 gold bead and 1 white bead. Put the bead through the white bead. Put the bead through the 2 gold beads. Continue to add beads to the 9th group. Add 1 pearl. Put the bead through the first pearl. Rotate the bead. Put a gold bead under the pearl. Put the bead through the white bead. Add a gold bead and a white bead. Put the bead through the golden bead. Put the bead through the white bead. Continue to add gold beads and white beads. Go down through the white. Go up through the 2 gold. Repeat 2 9 sets. Add pearls. Go through the pearl. Go back to the pearl. Repeat the same step to the appropriate length.
Of color and light, a dance of beads on this crafting night. Oh, the beauty she
At the button,
creates.
go through the pearl. Strengthen the knot and you are done.